everybody, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Dana. I upload new videos twice a week, so if you haven't already, now is a great time to subscribe to my channel so you can stay on top of all of my new videos. I have a chocolate tea to check out today. Today I'm gonna try Republic of Tea's Cuppa Chocolate Tea Coconut Cocoa. I'm gonna get it steeping first and foremost, and then we can check out the tea, the ingredients, everything we can, and they come in these cute little round bags, which we will also take a look at. And since it's just these little bags, I'm making it in my cutest little teacup. All right, let's set this little guy to the side and find out everything we can about coconut cocoa. Man, this smells good. So I grew up in the 90s and my favorite cartoon ever was Rugrats. And I remember there was an episode where Angelica had a box of chocolates. I think she like took them, you know, she was always like sneaking around looking for treats, same. But I remember she had a box of chocolates and she was eating all of them except the coconut. Like she was like, ew, gross, coconut. But as a kid, I loved coconut chocolates. Like that was my favorite one. Like in the box of assorted chocolates, I'd always ask my mom for the coconut one. So I've always been really into it. Oh, it smells so good. It really smells like a coconut chocolate. All right, so this is Republic of Tea Cuppa Chocolate Tea Coconut Cocoa, low in caffeine herb blend of coconut, cocoa, and dates. And then there's their little logo with the teapot, and behind there is this like palm tree picture. Really pretty, and I love how the tea bag looks. It's like a cute like candy shop kind of look, like this light blue with this brown. Like I just think it's so pretty. And here on the back it says, enjoy this environmentally friendly round unbleached tea bag free of wasteful strings, staples, and tags. Then there's a little quote from the Minister of Leaves. I still am like kind of confused about this whole like minister thing that they have going on over at the Republic of Tea. So maybe we'll look a little more into that. But the Minister of Leaves says, drifting clouds, flowing water, seeking the same calm, I discover happiness. Tasting a true sip of tea. And the ingredients are roasted carob, roasted chicory, dates, natural coconut flavor, cocoa powder, and natural chocolate flavor. So it has all the good stuff. And it just smells so good. It's like a really nice combination of the coconut and chocolate. And dates are a really nice sweetening ingredient. It adds like a good sweetness without any sugar or anything. And I really do like that there's no like sweetening agent besides that in this. Like there's no stevia or anything like that. There are some natural flavors, but I think any sweetness we get is going to come from the dates. And here is our little round unbleached tea bag. So you can see it's not like perfectly white. It's kind of like there's some like tan and brown colors in it. And you can see the tea in there. I want to go on their website and see what else, if there's like any little description or anything on there. I like this picture here with the whipped cream. I wonder if this is gonna have like a hot chocolate vibe, like a coconut hot chocolate. It says that it is sugar-free and carb-free, which is really cool. So I'm hoping it'll still be nice and sweet though because of those dates. So it'll be like a nice kind of dessert thing. So the description here says, a rich exotic taste of this herbal infusion combines coconut, cocoa, and chocolate to produce a thick, naturally sweet tropical cup. Carob intensifies the chocolate flavor without adding any caffeine. Enjoy at any latitude as a warming, low-calorie cup of dessert, nice with a splash of milk. Coconut Cocoa Cuppa Chocolate Tea was featured on NBC Today Show as one of the top 10 skinny foods all dieters should try, and in women's world. So I do not believe, this is probably the 100th time I'm saying this on here, but I don't actually believe in even dieting, because I believe like if you want to be healthy, it needs to just be part of your lifestyle. I believe if you want dessert, you should have dessert. Like if I'm really craving that coconut chocolate, like that box of chocolates with the coconut chocolate, I'm not just craving the taste, I'm craving the texture, I'm craving the full experience. So for me, it will never be a substitute. Like I never think of tea as a substitute for a dessert. I just think of it as another thing to enjoy. So around these here parts, we don't feel guilty for eating desserts. We don't talk like that here. We're not like a guilt-free. No, we don't feel guilty. We don't feel guilty when we eat chocolate. It looks like they have a lot of really cool flavors though. It looks like it's sort of a separate line, like this cup of chocolate tea, and it looks like there's like cup of cake teas and things like that. So it looks like here there's a caramel vanilla cake tea. There's a chocolate strawberry, which I bet would be really good. Almond coconut macaroon, peppermint chocolate. There's just a plain chocolate chai. Ooh, red velvet. It looks like they have some really cool like dessert teas to choose from. Banana chocolate. Wow, really cool. I think if I was going to choose one to try though, I would have probably picked this one, the coconut. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove our tea bag. I feel like I'm holding this like not fancy at all, but I wanna be able to snatch that out of there. I do prefer a string on my tea bags just because this is kind of hard to get out. And there we have our cup of tea. And it smells so good, like the steeped tea, the dry tea leaves, and the cup of tea all smell really, really nice, and I am just so eager to taste it. I do notice like it said that it was gonna be like a thick cup of tea. It doesn't look like anything crazy, but I do see like some particles in there, like probably from the dates and from the cocoa. But let's go ahead and try it. Wow, it's rich. Wow. It has like a really nice, like rich depth to that chocolate and the coconut. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Yeah, it tastes like a coconut candy, like a coconut chocolate, like a chocolate from like Fannie Mae, like a nice, like one of those nice chocolates filled with like the coconut filling. Wow, this is so good. It's a lot more rich and flavorful than I imagined it would be. I feel like chocolate teas sometimes can be a little like watery, like it tastes like chocolate water and it's like not right, you know? But then also there's sometimes like, for me personally, when I drink like mochas and things like from Starbucks, like a drink with mocha in it, it's kind of like chalky then, you know? So I feel like this is sort of a smoothness and a creaminess I haven't really like found in a tea before. Wow. It's so good. It really has that like tropical vibe. Oh, I would be so curious to compare this with David's Tea's chocolate macaroon, because that one is really nice and like coconutty and chocolatey, but I don't remember liking that one as much as I like this. It's just the texture is so nice, and I do like that it's not black tea, like it's caffeine free. There's no tea leaves, it's just like an infusion of fruits and things. And it is nice and sweet from the dates without having to add any stevia or sugar or anything like that. Wow, this would make such a good latte, I bet. These little cups are never enough for me. This is so good. I'm so impressed. I think this is the second tea from Republic of Tea I've tried here on my channel, and I've liked both of them a whole lot. So Republic of Tea is awesome. I still am like kind of confused about their company. They just have like different code words. Like they call their employees ministers and they call their customers citizens. So it just feels a little like, I don't know why it's like reminding me of like the Hunger Games or something. For some reason, I'm feeling like a creepy vibe about those names, but I think it's meant to be like a sense of unity. Like it's like you're part of the Republic of Tea if you're drinking their tea, and that's a really cool idea. I think the intentions are good either way. Most important of all, their tea is really good. So thank you, Sips By. They're always helping me to discover new teas that I never would have really thought to try. Like I don't think I would have picked up a coconut chocolate tea just because like, you know, sometimes I'm a little weird with chocolate teas, but they sent it to me and I love it. So I really appreciate them for always hooking me up like that. And if you guys made it this far through the video, let me know what treats you like the best for Valentine's Day. For me, it's chocolate all the way, but I do love the aesthetic of candy hearts. I just think they're the cutest candy there is, even though they taste like chalk. I still really, really love them. But yeah, I'm all about that like Fannie Mae chocolate, like the specialty chocolates and chocolate covered strawberries. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I hope you and your families are staying safe and healthy and having a beautiful day. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.